Looking to make a bold statement in your living room? A yellow couch might be just what you need. Bright, cheerful, and full of personality, yellow seating can instantly breathe life into any space. In today's video, we're diving into stunning decorating ideas that will show you how to style a yellow couch with confidence and creativity. Why choose a yellow couch? A yellow couch is a symbol of energy, optimism, and warmth. It instantly becomes the focal point of the room and works beautifully in both modern and eclectic spaces. Whether it's a bold mustard or a soft buttery tone, yellow can add depth and vibrancy to your home's atmosphere. Color combinations that work. The right color palette is key when styling a yellow couch. Try these stunning combos. Yellow plus gray, a sleek, modern pairing that balances brightness with sophistication. Yellow plus navy blue, bold and rich, this combo brings a dramatic flair. Yellow plus white or cream, clean and airy, perfect for a minimalist vibe. Yellow plus green or teal, adds a fresh, nature-inspired touch to your space. Don't be afraid to experiment with pops of color through pillows, rugs, and wall art. Textures and materials. Mixing textures creates visual interest. Pair your yellow couch with velvet pillows or throws for a luxurious feel. Natural wood furniture to add warmth and contrast. Metallic accents like gold or brass for a touch of glam. Woven elements such as jute rugs or rattan decor for a boho chic vibe. These textures complement yellow beautifully while enhancing the overall aesthetic. Wall art and accessories. Make your yellow couch stand out with the right decor around it. Try a gallery wall with black frames for contrast. Large-scale abstract art that ties in yellow and other accent colors. Decorative pillows and layered throws in mixed patterns and tones. Indoor plants to add freshness and a pop of green. Lighting also plays a big role. Consider floor lamps, sconces, or even a statement chandelier to highlight your seating area. Styling for different themes. You can style a yellow couch to suit almost any decor style. Modern and minimalist, pair with neutral tones, clean lines, and simple decor. Bohemian, layer with colorful textiles, plants, and global-inspired decor. Mid-century modern, combine with walnut furniture, tapered legs, and geometric patterns. Glam, add mirrored accents, metallic finishes, and plush velvet details. A yellow couch is more versatile than you think. It can easily adapt to your unique style. A yellow couch can truly transform your living room into a lively, welcoming space that reflects your personality. With the right colors, textures, and accessories, you can create a stylish setup that's anything but ordinary. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home decor inspiration and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.